Hi everybody, happy Monday. You are looking at my finished rosette wreath for our wall in our school. It's going to go on one of our largest walls where we put all the kids' work, and I thought this would look really cute in the center. And then I made a sign for it that says "We love our pre-K family." And I used my Disney Mickey and Friends cartridge to cut out the Mickey head and the hands and paper piece those. And I'm going to give you guys some measurements. The whole thing measures about 2 feet high by 2 feet 5 inches wide, so it is rather large. For the red rosette, the largest one, I used 8 12 by 12 sheets and scored them at a 1/2 inch all the way and put them all together like I showed you in a previous Halloween video. I made a rosette Halloween wreath, and if you're not sure and you want to put something like this together, just check out that video. I'll post a link below. And then the yellow one, I used 6 sheets of 8.5 by 11, scored at a 1/2 inch all the way and put together. And then the black rosette on the bottom here, I used 6 sheets of 6 by 11. So like I said, it measures approximately 2 feet high by 2 feet 5 inches wide, give or take a few. And then on the back, I just did my thing with the, like I did on the Halloween one. Let me turn it around for you. Okay, I just have my fibers here, and I put my 2 things on the end, and that is my hanger. So I told you I'd be back to show you guys the completed version. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching and have a great day.